crochet friends, it's Jonah, and I'm starting my own YouTube channel thanks to all of you who keep asking for it. And by all of you, I mean hundreds of you. And oh, in case you're wondering why I'm wearing this really bright yellow hat, it's because my brother dared me to, so there it is, just in case you're wondering. And on my YouTube account, we're going to be doing gift openings and, wait for it, tutorials. And since lots of people are asking how to use the loop yarn, I'm thinking of starting out making a tutorial on a project using loop yarn. And we're also going to do some interviews, maybe a vlog with a V, which means following people around in their daily life. And lots of people do that, so I'm going to give it a try. Thank you so much for the YouTube channel suggestion. And it's going to be a whole lot of fun. Right now, instead of going to crochet, I'm actually going to go downstairs and play Wii Sports with my brother for an hour. I think of it as vital to spend time with your siblings when you're at a young age. It's very important. And I want to thank you all for the YouTube suggestion once again. Make sure to tune in to my next videos. See you soon. Goodbye and crochet away.